If you receive a speeding ticket in Illinois, here are the top 3 things that you need to know. Hi, I'm attorney Derek Martin with Driver Defense Team, and our law firm fights thousands of speeding tickets every year in the Chicagoland area. The first thing that you need to know is, what type of ticket do you have? And that's pretty easy. Pull out your ticket and let's do some math. Figure out exactly how many miles an hour they cited you for going over the speed limit. So just do the math. Take how fast they say you were going, subtract the speed limit, and get your number. If that number is between 1 and 25 miles an hour over the speed limit, then you have what we call a petty traffic ticket. If it's 26 to 34 over the speed limit, then it's considered to be a Class B misdemeanor. That's a criminal offense. And then the top level of speeding ticket in Illinois is when you're going 35 or more above the speed limit. So first things first, what type of ticket do you have? I will also mention that there are some sort of aggravating circumstances that can be associated with that. Was it in a school zone? Was it in a construction zone? Were there any other tickets that were issued at the time? Those things can play a role in this too. So now that you know what type of ticket you have, what are the potential penalties? Well, if it's a petty ticket, then it is punishable by a fine only. Now, it can still affect your driving record. It can still affect your insurance rates, but it's punishable by a fine in classes only. But you take a step up to a Class B misdemeanor, and now it's also punishable by up to $1,500 in fines and up to 6 months in jail. Yes, it's not likely, but it is possible to go to jail for a speeding ticket in Illinois. And then that top level of ticket, the Class A misdemeanor, is punishable by up to a $2,500 fine and up to 1 year in jail. So now that we know the type of ticket, we know the penalties, you got to make a decision. Should you hire a lawyer? Can a lawyer help? And a lot of times people think like, fine, the officer got me. I was speeding. Whether it was intentional or whether maybe it was unintentional, you just kind of lost track of your speed. A lot of people think, okay, let me just go to court and handle this. Well, if you have a misdemeanor speeding ticket, that Class B or the Class A, it may not be that simple. A lawyer can help you tremendously in court. Not only with the outcome of the case, is there not guilty, is it dismissed, is it a reduced charge, is it supervision, is it conviction, is there any combination of those, what if you have multiple tickets? There's a lot to be figured out with that, right? But also in terms of any potential penalties. What are the fines and fees? What are there classes to do? All those things get figured out by your lawyer, and I can bet you that a good lawyer is going to improve your hand on that. One other thing to mention is that your lawyer is going to do a lot of background work, right? They're going to research what happened. They're going to research, request reports, request videos, figure out exactly how the officer determined your speed. Was it radar? Was it LiDAR? Was it pacing? Additionally, your attorney can talk to the prosecutor. They can review your background. I mean, I can think of a number of cases where I went out in the hallway and I talked directly with the police officer and was able to sort things out. So there's a lot of benefits that a lawyer can provide you, even if you think, well, yeah, they got me speeding. So I hope this is helpful. Those are the 3 things that are going to put you in a better position to get this ticket taken care of. Now, if you want to talk about your specific ticket, then give us a call, shoot us a message. We're happy to give it a look. We're happy to talk about how maybe we can help and even quote you a price to do that. Thanks for watching.